Hello guys, welcome to this episode on Phrasing Creative. In this video, I will show you how to remove green screen in Premiere Pro. So firstly, let's drag our footage into Premiere Pro. This is the green screen video we want. I'll drag it here and wait till it's finished loading. So I will change the sequence to, let me check the sequence to 16 now. Okay, it's already on YouTube side. So after doing this, all you will need to do is click, go to effect and search for ultra key. So now you drag the ultra key onto the footage and release it. After that, come to control, effect controls, scroll down and look at this, look for key color. You can click on this and choose green, so that you mean it should remove the green background, but I prefer using this step. Click on this eyedropper and click on the background. Now you see we have a PNG background. So what I'll do next is I'll insert a nice background. So I'll bring this footage, paste it here. So now we will bring our footage and we'll drag the sound down and insert it. Now you see